Nagpalipad ako ng drone sa Clark Parade Grounds, which is approximately 2 kilometers from Philippine Airforce Clark Air Base and 4.18 kilometers from Clark International Airport. It's less than 10 kilometers from the airport, that's why it's still within no-fly zone. Beforehand, nagsubmit na ako ng unlock license request sa DJI. Just visit fly-safe.dji.com. Log into your DJI account. On the unlock request page, click on Authentication Application button. Sa background certification tab, you have to select your identity between personal account, organization, or government account. Personal yung akin, but I'll show you the form for the organization and for the government. For the organization, you need to upload a letter stating that drones are being used for commercial purposes, with official letterhead and signature or official seal. For an organization account user, you are more likely to be granted an unlocking license, which will have a longer validity period. For the government account, in addition sa longer validity period than personal account, government account users can apply for identity verification para magka-access sa alternative unlocking methods and mas mabilis na processing. Once your identity verification has been approved, magiging valid siya for 12 months. Sa personal account naman, lesser fields. Type your last name, first name, email, phone, and select industry or type. Click on submit, then need mo i-verify mobile number na in-enter mo through SMS code. Upon successful submission, makikita mo na yung available services which are unlocking restricted zones and altitude zones. Kasama na rin dun yung authorization zones. Since okay na sa background certification, proceed na tayo sa device management. You can click itong download template, which is ideal if more than one device ang meron ka for bulk registration, pero dito tayo sa new device. Enter your flight controller serial number, not the aircraft serial number, not the remote controller serial number. Then select the aircraft model. Optional yung device name, pero lagyan na natin. Okay na yung device management, kaya proceed na tayo sa pilot management. Meron din siyang template in Excel format that you can download or just click on the new pilot button. Enter lang yung email, then pilot name. We're done with the user center, click na natin yung unlock request here sa header. Click on new unlock request button, then magpo-pop up itong unlocking request notice. Please keep in mind that even if you secured your unlocking license, hindi ibig sabihin na you'll be free from any liability in case you cause damages during your flight. You shall assume full responsibility for the safety of your flight operations. You shall bear the entire risk and assume full responsibility for any damage arising from your use of DJI device or unlocking license in unlocked area. Pagka-click ng confirm, you can choose between custom unlocking or zone unlocking. I'll choose zone unlocking kasi mas madaling mag-select ng geozone. Under basic information, select natin yung in-add natin device and pilot kanina. Next, sa unlocking application details, type natin sa search bar yung location kung saan tayo magpapalipad. Pagka-click ko ng Clark Parade Grounds from the selection, mapapansin niyo na naka-encapsulate or sakop siya ng Authorization Zone kasi malapit sa Clark International Airport, previously known as Diosdado Macapagal International Airport. Click natin yung highlighted area to select, then proceed tayo sa time range. Once we select the start date, automatically nagsiset yung expiration date, which is 2 days after. That means for 3 days valid yung unlocking license. For the unlocking application reason, want to fly at the Clark Parade Grounds and El Caballo Horseback Riding Stables. Then submit. Magdi-display yung success message na operation complete, submission successful. Let's check again the details. Okay na tayo here, so let's switch naman sa app. Once connected na yung aircraft or drone, let's go to profile, then settings. Scroll down, then tap on unlock geozone. Mapapansin niyo nag-appear na yung one license with the unlocked area, which is Diosdado Macapagal International Airport. Tap lang natin import to aircraft. Ganun lang kabilis. Let's get the ball rolling. Paliparin na natin sa parade grounds. May magpa-pop up lang na warning, fly with caution. Tick lang natin yung box for I agree to assume full liability for flying in this area. Tap confirm, good to go na. According sa DJI Greenbelt, they have experienced before in attempting to fly within a red zone or restricted zone, prevent talaga yung flight. Definitely sa mga sensitive national security locations. There will be a jamming signal daw that will block drone transmission. Personally, I have not encountered it yet, but we can rely naman daw sa DJI software to display warnings accordingly, especially if it's illegal to fly in the area. Guys, fly responsibly. Nagpapalipad lang ako within my visual line of sight. Do not go behind buildings, large trees, or other structures. Ensure your aircraft is at least 30 meters away from other people. Respect their privacy and keep your distance. And I'm also mindful of its altitude. To be safe, nagtanong-tanong muna rin ako ng restrictions sa area and saan ako pagpalipad na sa same location. This is just for personal use, and take note that I'm using DJI Mini 2 na may take-off weight na 249 grams lang. I appreciate if you hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Sakta lang na natapos ako, biglang nag-start uling umambon. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.